Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will try to plant cayenne pepper directly from the seeds at home so that it will bear fruit later. Watch the video until it's finished and enjoy watching. First of all, what we have to prepare here are chili seeds. And choose good quality fresh and old chili seeds by looking at their characteristics with a red color like this. Cut open the chilies and remove the seeds. If you want a large-scale cayenne pepper plant, you can get it at the farm shop. But if you want chili plants on a small scale, or you could say at home scale, you can get them from the kitchen and make your own seeds like this. After it finishes, soak the chili seeds in clean water and separate the floating seeds because floating seeds will grow slowly and will not be good in the future or may not even grow at all. Meanwhile, sunken chili seeds are good quality chili seeds. They will thrive and will bear fruit later. After finishing drying our cayenne pepper seeds under direct sunlight, until the technique is true and it is intended that we will seed the chili seeds, does not rot quickly, and when we seedlings can grow perfectly and evenly. After the chili seeds are dried, it's time for us to seed them. First of all, we prepare the media for sowing it. Here I use soil and husk charcoal to sow the chili seeds. And you can replace the seedling media with soil and manure with the same ratio as what I use here. That is 3:1. While the container for the media is all here, I use a container like this. You can replace the seedling container with another one that is easiest to find around you, which is most importantly safe and closed. And here I put a base under it, so that the soil does not scatter out later. However, the water does not settle in the container. Meanwhile, one of the causes of chili seeds to fail by the body is the seeds that are stagnant with water in the container. Make the seeds we seed rot. After the planting media is mixed, then we put it in the container. Then flatten it. Then sprinkle the seeds evenly like this. And cover again the chili seeds that we sprinkle with the same seedling medium. Don't forget to water the chili seeds we sowed, and water them sufficiently until the soil is saturated with water. Sows the chili seed nursery we store in a shady place and not exposed to direct sunlight and rainwater, until the chili seeds really sprout. You need to know that usually chili seeds will sprout at the age of 4 to 7 days after we seed. And you don't have to water it until the seeds actually sprout during the germination process. You can only water the chili seeds at the age of 4 to 7 days when the seeds have germinated. These are our 15 days of cayenne pepper seeds, and thank God the growth is quite fertile and evenly distributed. And you can already store it in an open place and subject to direct sunlight. And we can move these cayenne pepper seeds to a new planting medium when he is 4 to 5 weeks old. Basically, sowing cayenne pepper seeds is quite easy because chili plants can be used in any medium. However, if we want cayenne pepper plants, our bodies can be healthy and bear fruit. Then there is nothing wrong if we take care of chili plants from an early age or even from seeding. By placing it in a good plant medium. Water it to the fertilization stage, God willing. Plants will grow and bear fruit properly if we take good care of them. So many videos about how to sow cayenne pepper from the seeds, hopefully useful. Sorry if there are errors. Until we meet again in another video. Peace be upon you, and Allah's mercy and blessings.